Hello guys, welcome to the new challenge of this series. So our today's challenge is a very famous Python interview question. So let's start. So we have to reverse a string using a Python code. So if my input is hello, then it should be printed like this. I'll be using PyCharm for writing this code. So first of all, I'll ask for a user input for this. I'll say var1 equals to input, enter your value. Okay, so I have my variable. So my first solution will be, what I'll do in my first solution, let's say this is my string. So I'll iterate over this particular string, and I'll store the values in reverse order, like H, then E, then L, then L, then at the end O. So I'll iterate over it and store it in reverse order. Okay, so for this, first of all, I'll define the output variable. This will be empty one. Then a for loop for I in var1. It will give me all the elements of this string. So I'll store them in reverse order. Output equals to I plus output. Okay, so this way the elements will be stored in reverse order. So let's try to so I am out of my for loop. Now I'll print the output value. So I'll say reversed value is output. Yeah, so let me try to run it. I'll say this. So hello. So yeah, you can see, so I have printed, I have given user input as hello. The reverse value is coming in the reverse order. So this is how you can do. So this is our first solution. Let's try to do it in a different way in the second solution. Okay, so I'll say solution 2. The solution 2 will be very straightforward. We don't need to go through a for loop or store it in reverse order. It will be pretty straight. So my output will be var1, and here I'll be using my slicing operator. Okay, so we'll understand what is slicing operator, but first let's try to print it. Okay, so here let's say this. Yeah, you can see it has come in this way. So now let's try to understand what is slicing operator. So slicing operator is nothing but if you have a string or a list of values, then you can pick values from that. So for example, it will be var. Okay, it will have a start point, it will have an end point, and then step. So in our case, let's say hello. So what it will do, it will start from 0. Okay, so we are saying like this we are giving and this we are giving. So if you are not giving anything over here, it means it will start from the beginning, and if you are not giving anything in the end, then it will go till end. So it will take your entire string. Okay, but in the step I have mentioned -1. So by default, if you don't give anything, then it will be like this. So if you give like this, and then it will print the whole thing, like it will print hello. But in our case, what we have done, we have given -1. So because of -1, it will print it in reverse order, because by default it will be a forward step, like from starting from here, then it will go till the end point. But if we are giving -1, then it will start from the rightmost element, then it will go till the left one. So this is how you can reverse a string by using just one line of code. So using a slice operator, you can do it like this. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, then hit the like button, and if you want to get more such content, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you.